Hey, grumpy old concrete guy here. I made it off of the ice safely. Yeah, it's really no joke, the ice, you know. I mean, you want it to be safe. It wasn't very thick down there. It was maybe 2.5 to 3 at tops, and then when you'd walk, it started cracking. But I just wanted to kind of go over what I kind of practice safety in a way. I have a life vest on here, and then I have these spikes that go around, they're attached to the life vest. So if you would happen to go through the ice, and you wouldn't go all the way under, and you could maybe pull yourself out with these spikes. I know how they work because I've done it. I know that I shouldn't be laughing about that. I'm very, very blessed to still be here. But anyways, so that's one thing. And yeah, the ice was just, I drove around, and this Pondo down here usually freezes over, but I thought it'd be thicker. But this is what I like to use for fishing. I like to use jig poles. Some people like to use, tip-ups or tilts, but I like to be able to be, I like to feel the fish hit. I mean, I do use tip-ups sometimes, live bait. Can even use dead bait out there. But just small lures. And you can use bait on these jig poles too. I made this jig pole out of the end of a fishing rod, lightweight fishing rod. So that's kind of cool. And this is my homemade ice bar out of an old chisel and a piece of pipe. Yeah, I had to make an ice bar because the time I fell through, I lost my ice bar and my ice skimmer. So chop the hole, skim the ice out so you can drop the lure down. Yeah. I know a lot of people aren't into ice fishing or even cold weather, but I am. Originally from Wisconsin, lots of ice out there. But even Wisconsin, even the northern climates, it's, you got to be careful. You hear about people going through every year. So, you don't want to put other people in danger if you can help it. And then, yeah, we got some small lures here. Not too many in this tackle box, but sometimes in the winter time, small lures are key. I don't know why, but I've even gotten some really big bass on a lure like that. Just a little jig, Yeah. I mean, I love ice fishing. And you can put, sometimes you can put cut bait on or minnows or whatever, and sometimes you can use something like that, gulp bait, power bait. But I'm gonna put at least 2 ice fishing videos that I've done years ago. I mean, my channel is full of videos. I have a bunch of ice fishing videos that I made on Cape Cod years ago when the ice was safe. No ice is safe, but yeah, I'm gonna put a link to some of those videos so you can really see me catching fish through the ice, which is fun. I love it. And yeah, that's about it. But beautiful day out here. So, okay, Hope everyone's having a good day. And tight lines. Grumpy Old Concrete Guy signing out.